Hello, so today I'm going to teach you easy way how to clone yourself. The first thing first, you have to make a recording of a clip. So this is a small recording of a clip I've done where I use a tripod and then I move around, and then I'll be cutting these clips and using it together so that you can clone yourself by masking. So this is one pause, and this is the second, and this is the third. The main idea is that your camera should be fixed, so then it will be much easier to clone yourself. Now that being done, now let me move around the clips and then cut it. So let me cut a part here, and then let me cut it a bit here, and then he goes there and then opens the kit. Right, and then let me cut it here a bit. I'll show you why I'm cutting it. So he enters it here. Now let me drag this clip this side, right? So this is the clip, so this is the part, and so let me drag this here, and then I'll put it on top of here, right? Let me cut a bit here as well. Now this clip is on top, right? And if I hide this one, so this is the part, this clip it shows below, right? So I'll try to put it together. I'll take this clip and then go to the editing panel, right? And then I'll choose the opacity. I'll take this one, right? So I'll create a mask. Where is this guy? I don't see him around. Yeah, there he is now. So this is how you do cloning. Like with masking, you can hide and then hide some parts of the clip, and you can do a bit of tracking as well. So this guy is not here. So here he is. Let me make it a bit bigger. So I'll start from here. Let me start it here, and then I'll track it, right? So this goes on. Let me track this one, so it will process automatically and then track the movements, and if it's not, then we'll have to adjust it again. So this is a way to clone yourself by masking. This is much a easier way, and there are also ways where if your camera is not fixed, that way also, like you can, by masking you can clone yourself, but it will take a bit more time, like adjusting the positions of the object. Now let me see how this is coming. So it is here, right? I'll drag it here, and then I'll again process it. This takes time, but I think like you should get the idea of how to do masking, and then like use the tools in Adobe Premiere Pro to clone yourself. So basically, like you can also, if these two guys overlap, so this can also be done. See, it is out of the frame. Now it is out of the frame, so I have to use like this. Again, like you can drag it like this as well. There it's moving out. So you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. So that way, like you can show like 3-4 of the same person. And after that, like you did the clip and then export it and use it like anywhere you want. You can add a bit of VFX if you want, like putting some rain or putting some glow or like whatever you want. Let me again do this one so that it works out good. It will take a bit of time, but it will work out. I hope you are following the tutorial. Just I'm trying to use masking and then show two parts of some part of the clip. There it is not coming. There it is. So this takes some bit of time to adjust the masking since the person is moving. So I'll do a bit quicker so that you can understand how it works. So this looks good. This looks good. Here there's an issue here. Like we need to fix it. Here it is okay. Move it here again. Move it here. Let me do some this thing as well, so that I'm again tracking it so that all the keyframes are again created to follow the moving object. I think this should be done by now, so no more. Let me move this a bit. So here, like, you can see how I am trying to do it. From here it looks good, but this is being recorded. And then, like, the cloning part, I guess, like, we give the end point and the out point and then export the sequence. That's all needs to be done. So I put it here. Put the sequence here. This will be the starting point, and I put the end point here to export it, and this will be the end point, and this is a mask. So let me see, like, if it's doing good. It should be good for now. So I can go here, file, then export, then media. And then let it load. This is taking a bit of time because it needs a bit of processing power. So this is sequence in and sequence out. So this part of the clip will be exported, and then I can export it. So we'll estimate the time of export and then do the processing. So this is an easier way of masking and how to clone it. Thank you, and then have a good day, and we'll be coming up with more tutorials as time goes by. And please use the comment section, and you can click on the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to it again, and then click on the bell icon as well, so that you are notified as when